Hello everyone, welcome back to Job4freshers. So today we are getting the job notification from TCS. They are hiring freshers. So for more such videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss the video. And you can follow us on Instagram. And for more job update, you can join our Telegram group. The link is in the description. So TCS is hiring. The salary you can expect is 4 to 7 lakh per annum as per the Glassdoor and Naukri.com. The experience is not required. Best that can apply for this application is 2023 and the job location is across India. So the eligibility criteria is MBA from any stream and the year of passing is to 2023. So how you can apply for this application? So just click on apply here. You will be directed to the official website and the last date to apply for this application is 15 December 2022. So apply before that, and the test or the examination date is 25th December 2022. So now just click on register here. You will be redirected to this particular page. Here just click on register now. From these two options you have to choose IT option. Just click on IT. Now you have to fill in your application form. So first fill in your name, your date of birth, your gender, your email ID and your phone number, your college name and qualification. From here you can select MBA. So from here you can select Master in Administration. Here select 2023. Nearest TCS office for the exam. You can select as per your convenience. So enter your password, select the security question and enter the answer, and fill in this captcha and submit the profile. Okay, so once you submit you will receive the reference ID. Please note this reference ID for further communication with TCS and just click on continue. Here fill in your password, the captcha. So now to fill in this application form, just click on application form, click on personal detail, fill in your personal detail here and click on save and continue. The second option is academic work. Fill in your education details like your post graduation, graduation, your 10th, 12th, okay, and click on continue. In the other details just fill in your nationality, language and just click on save and continue. At last, application form preview. You have to preview whether all the information provided by you is correct or not. If you find any mistake you can just go back, correct that mistake. Once you're done with that, just click on submit the application form. Okay, so if you find any difficulties in filling up this application form, you can comment it below or you can message me on Instagram. So I hope you find the job video useful. So for more videos, please subscribe to our channel and do apply for the Paytm work from home which we have already posted. So go and apply now. So I will be back with another job update. Till then, take care, stay safe and bye bye.